discussing the Cauchy and Legendre homogeneous equation. In that we first move to the Legendre linear equation. So what is the Legendre linear equation? In the previous we have discussed the homogeneous equation with the constant coefficients that have a standard form d naught d raised to n y by dx raised to n plus a1 d raised to n minus 1 into y by dx raised to n minus 1, so on, plus an equal to some function of x. That we have seen the previous. That is called the homogeneous equation with the constant coefficients. Now we are discussing the differential equation with the not with the constant coefficients. Here the coefficients will be of the variables, like we have a two standard form. In that we have a two standard form. Those are called Cauchys and Legenders. So which kind of the equation is called a Legendre linear equation? So now we are discussing equation which is of the form a naught into ax plus b. Here I am considering only the second order, ax plus b whole square into y double dash, a1 into ax plus b into y dash plus a2y equal to some function of x. An equation which is of the form will be called a Legendre linear equation. So this equation will be called Legendre linear equation, that is having a standard form. I am taking only the second order here, a naught x plus b whole square y double dash plus a1 x plus b into y dash plus a2y equal to xi of x. Second order differential term we should have an ax plus b whole square only. Similarly, third differential operator should have an ax plus b whole cube. So similarly for the higher order also. So this equation, how to solve this kind of the Legendre linear equation? So we cannot solve directly this kind of the equations. So we have to reduce this Legendre linear equation to the differential equation with the constant coefficient. We have to reduce this into the differential equation with the constant coefficients. So how to reduce this to the differential equation with the constant coefficient? That we have to use the substitution method. So what is the substitution? Here we take a substitution t for the term log of ax plus b. So our ax plus b is equals to e raised to t. That will be the substitution that we have to use for the ax plus b. So suppose a t equal to log of ax plus b, then what is the substitution for the dy by dx? Dy by dx is equals to dy by dt into dt by dx. Here we use the chain rule to simplify the dy by dx. Now the dt by dx is equals to dy by dt. Here already t. dt by dx equal to 1 by ax plus b into derivative of ax plus b is a. Take this ax plus b onto the LHS side. Ax plus b into dy by dx equal to y dash into a. Now I am taking the substitution for the dy by dt, that is called our standard notation. Capital D equal to d by dt. Then the equation becomes dy. Call this one as equation 2. In the entire Cauchys and Legenders, we use a capital D equal to d by dt. Now the x plus b into y dash equal to a dy. Again take the differentiation one with respect to x. Ax plus b into derivative of y dash y double dash plus derivative of ax plus b is a into y dash a into derivative of this term with respect to x. dy is nothing but a dy by dt. Again differentiation with respect to x. Again we apply the chain rule here. d by dt into dt by dx. Again the dt by dx equal to a into d square y by dt square. Here the derivative of this function with respect to t. d square y by dt square. dt by dx equal to a divided by, and dt by dx equal to a divided by ax plus b. Now take again the ax plus b onto the LHS side. A into a becomes a square d square y by dt square. Ax plus b will be taken on to the LHS side. Both term will be multiplied by again the ax plus b. Ax plus b into ax plus b is ax plus b whole square y double dash a into ax plus b into y dash. Now see the ax plus b into y dash. Ax plus b into y dash is nothing but a dy. Again take the substitution from the equation 2. Now the equation becomes whole square y double dash plus a into ax plus b into y dash is a dy. A into dy is equals to a square. Again I taken a substitution, capital T square equal to d square by dt square. Then it becomes d square y. Now take this term also onto the RHS side. A square d square y minus a square dy. Take a square common and also d common. Remaining is d minus 1 into y. Y is also taken outside. Take a square and d square on a square and d onto the common. In the LHS, the remaining term is ax plus b whole square y double dash. So call this one as equation 2. Ax plus b whole square y double dash is equals to a square d minus 1 into y. Ax plus b into y dash is equals to a dy. Substitute equation 3. Substitute equation 2 and equation 3 in the equation 1. Now the equation becomes a naught into ax plus b whole square y double dash is equals to a square d minus 1 into y plus ax plus b into y dash is equals to a dy plus a2y equal to xi of. Here we taken a substitution, ax plus b equals to e raised to t. That equation implies x is equals to, send a b onto the RHS first, then send a onto the RHS. X equal to e raised to t minus b by a. That is also taken the substitution here. B and a are the constant. This is a function of the variable t. So in generally we take it a function of variable t. Now come to the LHS. See the terms here. A is also constant. A1 is also constant. A is a constant. A1 is constant. A2 is constant. So the equation becomes, I am taking the y as a constant outside. Sorry, y as a variable, taking a common outside, and it will be the function of t. So see the entire term here. A0, A1, A2 are the constants, and remaining are only the variables d. So the coefficients are converted to constant coefficients. You can see here a1 a, that is the coefficient of d. D minus 1 has a coefficient a0 a square. So all are the constants. So this will be the equation of the variable t. So that is reduced to the differential equation with the constant coefficients. Here simply we have taken a x plus b whole square y double dash. Similarly, we can also take ax plus b whole cube y triple dash is equals to a cube d minus 1 d minus 2 of y. Ax plus b whole raised to 4 is equals to a raised to 4 d minus 1 d minus 2 d minus 3 of y. Similarly for others, this can also be taken as a substitution for the higher order also. So that is how to convert the Legendre linear equation to the differential equation with the constant coefficients.